Okay, Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. Okay, today we will explain about our assignment, our SCL for Laplace transform. We choose number. This is the given questions, and n equal to 5, t equal to 0, x equal to 1, y equal to 0. Okay, first of all, from this one we assign as a first equation, and this one is second equation, and we proceed to be like this. We apply Laplace in the equations to the both equations, and then we get like this. As we know, in the Laplace transform, when the variable x prime is gonna be like SL xt minus x0, and same goes to this one and the second equations. Okay, after this part, we will let this equation to be like this: Laplace x t equal to us, and lyt equal to vs. After that, we substitute the let variable into the equation, so we get 2s us minus 2 minus 1, plus svs equal to 5s plus 1, and this one 3 negative 3 s us plus 3 plus s vs equal to 5 over s. After this one, we're gonna proceed to do Cramer rule. We apply Cramer rule here for us to find value of us. So as we know, this one's belong to us, so we substitute this answer 5 over to s plus 1, 5 over s, and this one is for vs, s, and this is the original equation from this. And after we apply Cramer rule and we solve like to find determinant, and we get this negative 1 over s square times multiply with s plus 1. And same goes to second equation, which we find vs and by Cramer rules, and finally we get 5s plus 2 over s2 s plus 1
S square.
s square s plus 1. Okay, after that we proceed to find us. To find us, I'm sorry, I want to look back. Okay, to find us like this, and this is symbol for Laplace transform. For Laplace transform, we get
The property.
we get this. But we cannot solve, so we apply partial fraction like this one. Negative 1 over s square s plus 1, we expand to a
Spread.
over s plus b over s square plus c over s plus 1, because this repeated
roots.
So we're gonna get like this: negative 1 as s plus 1, b s plus 1, and c s cube. Then we compare s equal to 0, negative 1 plus b, this one plus b. We let. I'm sorry.
S equal to 0.
We not compare, but we let s equal to 0. When we get b, and s equal to negative 1, we get c equal to negative 1, s equal to 1, and finally we get a equal to 1. Okay, after this we substitute into this.
Actually, this repeated denominator.
Okay, repeated denominator. Then we substitute into the equation again, which is a equal b1, b equal to negative 1, and c equal to negative 1. So we will separate like this. This equation we will Laplace transform. we will
Use
use Laplace transform,
Based on
and
table.
we get like this. And how to solve this? We
Use table.
refer to the table. For this one, 1 over s, we refer to the table number 1.
The rule.
For negative 1 over s
Square.
square,
Square.
refer to this number 3. And negative 1 s plus 1 refer to number 2.
1, 2.
So we will get 1. This one is negative 1, and the last one is negative e power of et.
E power of negative t.
E of power negative t. Okay. After done with US, we go to VS. VS is the same goes to the US. We apply
Partial fraction.
partial fraction here, and finally we find
We get this. What's the paper? Me.
oh, this one.
Okay, this one. Okay,
This one is the
and finally
process,
we get the
process
value
to
of
get
we get the value of A, B. For this first, we spread the partial fraction into 2. Then we get the value of A, B, C for both equation. So we get this.
So finally we got like this, and we apply to Laplace transform.
For the table.
For the table, we will get 5 et through 2 et plus 2e power of et,
Negative t.
power of negative t, and we get
Final answer
the
is
final
for
answer
VS.
for VS like this.
Okay. That's all for the first question.